Welcome back everyone. I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we are gonna install a full-fledged IDE which can be used for various development activities like Android development, web development, Python development, and you can work on Golang, Java, and many more. So the name of this IDE is Intellij IDEA. So without any further delays, let's get started. Let me open up Google Chrome here and let's search for Intellij IDEA. And let's click on download. And here in this video I'll be downloading the community edition. If anyone is interested in the ultimate edition, you can go for the free trial that you will get for 30 days, or you can buy it if you are interested. I will go with the community edition download for now. Let's click on it. Save this and wait for the download to get completed. Okay, so the download is now complete. Let's click on this installer. Let me minimize this window. And our setup has begun. Let's click on next. Next. And here let's make sure we update this context menu and choose this extensions. Also add it to our path variable. Click next and install. So let's give it a couple of minutes to get installed. Okay, so the installation is now complete. Let's leave it for a reboot later and click on finish. Now once that is done, let's open Windows, start here and search for Intellij. There we have it. Let's click on this. Since we'll be opening for this for the first time, we'll have an options for configurations. So let's not import any settings and click on OK. If you have any previous versions of Intellij, you can click on maybe you have some configuration set up for the previous version of the Intellij. You can import all those settings by choosing the path. Now this is very much similar to PyCharm, which we have installed earlier, but the only difference is this can be used for various developments other than Python alone. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.